Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Urban Hydration Honey Growth and Repair Jelly, which looks like this. And I think I have some pretty good results right here, so if you want to see how I got them, just keep watching. Okay, the claims on this jelly include enhancing and boosting curls by adding moisturizing and nourishing vitamins and oils that work to help reduce dryness and frizz. Some of the jelly's ingredients include veggie glycerin, ginger, rosemary, aloe, provitamin B5, essential oils, and vitamins. The jelly claims to be good for all hair types and does not contain sulfates or silicones. Okay, so this is how my wet results are looking. Looks like a promising wash and go with probably just a little fluff, but that's okay. But stay tuned for the final dry results coming up. So I'm back with my final review of the Urban Hydration Honey Jelly. And overall, I like the product. Now, I will say my hair is a little bit drier than I'm used to, but I got good definition out of it, and it's probably dry because when I was putting it on, it felt so lightweight. So I felt like I needed to just keep adding more product, and that's what I did. So that's probably partly my fault. It's a little dry, and it had like a huge gel cast. Like it was hard, and I scrunched most of it out this morning because this is day 2 hair, and there still is some, like, I don't know if you can hear it or not, like a cast to it. So yeah, it may be my fault for putting so much product on, but it just felt so lightweight on my hair, and I was putting it on. I was like, it feels like there's nothing, even though I know it is something because I saw it starting to define my curls. But I just felt like I needed more product, which is normal for me. I feel like I need more product than I actually do, so I end up adding more product, and I usually have a gel cast. I'm trying to work on that, but you know how it goes. Like, we over exaggerate product amounts all the time with natural hair just because of things like, oh, it's so dry, it needs moisture, it's so thick, and it needs moisture. It's not always the case. Like, sometimes I can literally calm down the amount of product I use. I use way too much product 90% of the time. But yeah, It still has that gel cast, and like I was saying, it was really light. And I mean, that's okay. It was fine for most of my hair, from like the back up to about here. It was fine because that's the easy part of my hair. Like the back, you can easily find that with most products. But the my trouble spots are up in the top and the sides. So it was a little bit harder for that. Like you're probably seeing in the video, I had to go over it a couple of times to get it down. And even still now, it still is a fluffier wash and go, even though it has a gel cast. It's still more fluffy and bigger than usual. My hair is not this big on second day hair. It usually takes me about a week to get hair that's this big. So that's a plus to me. I like that about the product. So, but yeah, overall, I really like it. Just next time I'll use a leave-in. I don't know which leave-in yet. I just have to try some leave-ins, but I'll just probably use a leave-in next time with the gel because I really like the way it came out. It's defined, but yet it gives me some volume, which I like. But yeah, so that's about it. And here's a few close-ups. Like, see, it has some good definition all around. I don't have any frizzy spots because, of course, the heavy gel cast I have, but that's okay. And I tried this this side part, and I really liked it. I didn't do my edges today, so it looks a little different today, but I really like it. And I put a little bobby pin here to like keep the part there, because you know with my hair, I'll put a part and then 10 minutes later the part is gone. So I have to find some type of way to keep the part in there, but this is working and I really like it. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.